Today, today, today was Hudson's turn to take the morning excursion train. This time, all the engines like to do it, especially Marvin. Hudson was waiting impatiently for the guard. Come on, come on. You gotta get this train moving. Let's get moving already. Patience, Hudson, said his driver. We're in no hurry. The guard will wave his flag and we'll move soon. He waited for another hour until finally the guard waved his train flag. And he was on his way. Much too early. He stopped across the lane and blew an extra long whistle. All cars and traffic were halted. And all stopped. He waited. So finally, they were ready to go. He tried to move, but he only struggled 4 yards on the line. Come on, driver. The brakes are hard on. Then when he started moving, he found out he was moving a little slowly. His driver tried again and again to get the car moving. So eventually he came to a stop. The driver clambered down to make sure that the brakes were secured. With a hammer, he banged onto the brakes on the brake handle, and he greased and oiled it up, and the train was soon ready to go. Once again. across with no more trouble. They finally reached the station. Finally reached the station just in time. Reached the station just in time. Safely ensured he reached the station in one piece. Passengers were all glad to get off, but if you ask Hudson, he wouldn't stop early on the crossings anymore from now on. For the rest of the day, that is, and hurried home with